Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Autostick in your Jeep Patriot. Autostick is a fantastic feature that gives you manual control over your automatic transmission. It allows you to select gears yourself, offering a more engaging driving experience. This can be incredibly helpful for various situations, like when you need precise power delivery or want to manage your engine's revolutions per minute more closely. Let's dive into how to engage and use this versatile system. To begin using Autostick, simply move your gear selector from the standard drive position over to the dedicated Autostick gate. You'll notice a distinct click as it engages. Once activated, your instrument cluster will display the current gear, typically showing D or 1, indicating that you are now in manual mode. This simple shift unlocks a new level of control over your Jeep Patriot's performance. Once in Autostick mode, shifting gears is straightforward. To upshift, simply push the gear selector forward towards the plus sign. To downshift, pull it backward towards the minus sign. The transmission is designed with safety in mind, so it will prevent you from making shifts that could over-rev the engine or cause damage. This allows you to confidently choose the optimal gear for any driving condition. Autostick truly shines in specific driving scenarios. For instance, when descending steep hills, you can downshift to a lower gear to utilize engine braking, saving your conventional brakes. It's also invaluable for off-roading, allowing you to maintain consistent power and control over challenging terrain. Furthermore, when towing heavy loads, selecting a lower gear provides increased torque, making your Patriot more efficient and capable. It's a versatile tool for enhanced driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.